Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically hide your Roblox private server. You can't really delete it permanently for some reasons, but you're just going to go to more, go to your inventory, and you're going to go to your private servers, and then you're going to basically select select the one you want to hide, or just do it here, join friends. Select this configure, and you are going to just turn off the allow joining one, and it's just going to hide it. If it's like a paid server and you want to stop, I guess, paying for you want to cancel it, just select join friends here, and then I just stop renewing it here. So the subscription status, I just turned it off. Basically, you can turn it on and off again, but I just have it off. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.